Here we are under our 1987 32S. This is where the black tank goes in. This is the center support from frame to frame. Back over here is where the toilet inlet is for our tank. That's the blue rag right there. That is our stack vent. That is by the furnace underneath. You can see the frame is pretty good still. Just this little rusty on the center support where it's been leaking. I'm going to scrub that down and clean that right up. This is where the UNDERSIDE came in, here, mounted here and up there. So this is the water line that came in from the bathroom and the kitchen sink. I disconnected it. And here's all the wiring, lovely wiring. And here's the outlet for the sewer going through the frame into the drain area. So that is it for this. Have you take a look underneath. On the other side of that wall is our